So how to transfer money from HSBC into another bank account. So to transfer money from HSBC into another bank account, if you open up the HSBC app, you just want to click on this icon here, which says pay someone in the UK. Then once you've done that, you can then say add new payee right here. Then once you've done that, it will then open you up to this page here, and you just want to go ahead and enter the sort code and the account number of the bank account that you wish to transfer money to. Then once you've entered those banking details, you can go ahead and press check payee details, and then on the next slide, HSBC will let you know if they match. So as you can see on this slide, we can see that the bank details match the name of the account. So for this one, you'll just need to select how much money you wish to transfer. So for the example of this video, we're going to say £10. And then once you've selected how much money you wish to send, you'll just need to clarify the reason for the payment. So for example, if you're paying yourself, you'll say you're paying your own account, or if it's a friend or a family, you'll say paying friends or family. Then once you're ready to make the payment, you can go ahead and press continue, and then just enter your PIN for verification. Then lastly, just review the payment, and if you're happy with everything, press confirm at the bottom. And there you have it, and you've successfully transferred money on HSBC to another bank account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it does help the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.